everyone keeps asking me, what is the best saving plan in the market? And in this video, I'm going to break what is the best saving plan in the market, which is the Panna Jewelers exclusive 6-month saving plan. And I'm going to show you how this is the best plan and why are we the only jewelers in the market who are giving on this plan. So let me break it down for you completely step by step. So what is a 6-month plan? Unlike your 11-month plan, there is no monthly deposits. There is a one-time lump sum deposit in which you can come and deposit. Either it can be a gold, pure gold, old gold, anything. You can just give it and you can deposit in cash. You can swipe your card, you can transfer from bank account. All the amount is paid in one time, and after 180 days, you can get zero making, zero wastage on any ornament you're purchasing of 22 carat on that amount. And this plan is such that this is especially for all the brides or those who want to shop big and then they know a big occasion is coming for them. And you have seen all of our collection, which is the lightweight jewelry, Nakshi, temple jewelry, what we express in. And if you want to buy that kind of jewelry, the 6-month saving plan is perfect for you, where the starting amount is only 50,000 rupees. And we also have a cap, the maximum is 25 lakh rupees. And normally we have limited schemes every month for this one. So normally within the first 1 week, the saving plan is completely full and we put you on a waiting list for the next month, because that's how our plan works. We cannot have unlimited funds we are taking for this particular plan, because the benefit is completely for you who's the customer. So let me show you how it works. So for example, if you are depositing 5 lakh rupees, first you minus GST from that, and then of that amount we save in 916 rate for you some particular grams, and in that grams, as of today's rate, you can buy gold after 6 months of those many grams for zero making, zero wastage. So what is the difference in this one? Your gold price is completely locked, so you don't depend on the inflation or you're not affected by it. The gold price is fluctuating a lot, and in 6 months I really feel it's going to go a bit more or a lot more higher. It won't be same or lower. That's my guess on it, maximum. So you can lock in today's gold rate. So in a 11-month plan, you are averaging over 11 months. In a 6-month plan, you are locking in the rate of the first day of your plan completely. So that is how we want it to be, and that's an advantage to you. And what are the other rules? So whenever you sign up, we give you a card like this which has its terms and conditions. The first thing is, whenever you are depositing, it's a fixed amount. You cannot do multiple deposits. In one time, you'll have to give your gold amount and you secure your investment in that way. And after joining the plan, the waiting period has to be 180 days. After 180 days, on the 181st day, you can purchase anything, and you let your investment mature for 180 days. And the rate will always be of the day when you started. If the rate is same at the end, it's the same. If it increases also, it's the first day's rate. Even if the rate decreases, it is the first day's rate. And what is the benefit of it? You enjoy zero making, zero wastage on all 22 carat ornament purchases. There is no category limitations. We are not limiting you only to chains and bangles or no temple jewelry. Everything that is in our store of 22 carat gold, everything can be bought for zero making and zero wastage. But one more caveat for this is GST of 3% will be payable on the purchase plan after the maturity. So for example, if you are doing a plan of 1 lakh rupees, you will have to pay 3,000 rupees after the plan is maturing. And so the maximum amount goes in blocking of your gold. So whenever you're paying us for your purchase plan, of the entire amount, we will be blocking the gold. And then the GST of 3% will be having to pay it on your bill after the plan is matured. So you're blocking the gold on today's rate. And if the payment is made through credit or debit card, there will be extra card charges of around 2 to 3% that will be added on the payment that is being swiped. And these are the simple terms and conditions for joining a saving plan. You can enroll for this online if you're doing a bank transfer. We have customers from Bangalore, Chennai, and even Qatar, Dubai, US who do a bank transfer to us, and then they start the plan. And whenever they are doing the plan, they have the maximum benefit. So it has been little over a year since we have started the plan, and we have almost close to thousands of customers and thousands of families whom this plan has supported. And this is the gold deposit plan, which is by PJ. Maximum customers deposit their gold or do a lump sum transfer. And if you are asking a question, do you have a 11 months plan? We also do have a 11 months plan available, which starts from 5,000 rupees up to 1 lakh rupees per month. and that is if you are want to do a monthly installment, that plan is still open. That also has a zero making zero wastage when it ends. And I hope this video has clarified to you about our 6-month saving plan. And if you are interested in signing up in our 6-month saving plan and you're based anywhere in India, if you can check where we ship even our saving plan ornaments everywhere across India. Just message this number over here below and you will be able to find all the details and sign up for the saving plan, and our team will help you on it. Thank you for joining this video. We will see you again next week.